Use only septic-compatible cleaners to preserve the biological processes that keep a tiny house septic system functioning. Choose biodegradable and phosphate-free detergents for all cleaning tasks, and look for labels that state they are safe for septic systems. For laundry use, mild, low-suds detergents in concentrated or liquid form, and measure dosing carefully to avoid excess that can upset microbial balance. Avoid oxygen bleach boosters and harsh sanitizers in regular use since they can reduce beneficial bacteria when used in quantity. For dishwashing, select low-sudsing, biodegradable liquid soaps designed for septic or marine systems, and avoid automatic dishwasher powders that contain chlorine or strong alkalis. For personal care, pick phosphate-free, low-scent soaps and shampoos, and limit antibacterial products to occasional use only. Keep a concise, posted list in your homeowner manual, and, when in doubt, consult your aerobic treatment unit manufacturer for their approved chemistries before introducing a new product. Common mistakes include assuming any product labeled natural or plant-based is septic safe, so always read full ingredient lists and avoid products with added phosphates or strong oxidizers. If unsure, discard it and choose a certified septic product. Another issue is overuse of concentrated sanitizers and laundry boosters to combat odors, which kills the microbes you need. So address odors by reducing water use spikes and cleaning filters rather than increasing chemical loading. A third mistake is not tracking what is used in the tiny house, leading to accidental buildup of incompatible chemicals. Solve this by posting an approved cleaning products list in the homeowner manual and training any occupants or guests to follow it. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and community features. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange practical tips on maintaining systems like tiny house septic units.